Hey guys, welcome to Tech Space. My name's Nick. Now, if this is your first video you've seen of me, welcome. Now, as you can see, I make my videos a little bit different. I try and do some cool special effects while I do my tech videos. You clicked on this video because you want to know how to turn your Apple Watch into a spy camera. Now, I'm pretty late to the table because I have only just bought my first Apple Watch this year, actually only a couple of weeks ago. Now you may be saying, are you even a tech YouTuber in 2021 if you don't own an Apple Watch? I know, I've been meaning to do it and I finally bit the bullet and I went and bought one last week. Well, actually, my family bought one for me. My mum, my brother, and my beautiful girlfriend. What's up, babe? I went and bought one last week, and as I do when I buy any new products, I usually jump onto YouTube, I try and find the hidden features or the cool little stuff, and I actually came across this cool little video on YouTube of this legend talking about how to turn it into a viewfinder, and I thought, I run a tech YouTube channel and I didn't know how to do that. So I'm thinking there must be some people out there that didn't know that you could do this, and I thought, you know what? I'm gonna make a video for them. So here's that video. Now I'm gonna jump into it and tell you exactly how to do it. Now, first of all, we've got to jump into the Apple Watch. Now, once you open up your Apple Watch, you don't have to download any apps. It actually comes installed in the interface when you first open it. Thank you, Apple. Now, basically what you do is you click on this little icon right here that looks like a little camera shutter. Once you open up that, it automatically connects to your iPhone and opens up the camera on your iPhone, and you can see exactly what the iPhone is looking at. Now, you can choose between the rear-facing camera or the front camera, and basically you can take snaps, you can set a timer so you can take a few photos. Now, I thought to myself, now how are you gonna actually use this as a spy camera? Well, what you can do is you can stick your iPhone in a little position, maybe behind a little nook of a bookcase, or maybe in the kitchen if you have a girlfriend who steals all your chocolate. You know it's you, babe. Busted. Basically, you can set it up, and when they're there, you can look through the little viewfinder and you can snap, gotcha. Now, actually, one of the practical things that I thought you could use this for is when you're actually taking group photos, or you maybe want to take a photo of you and your girlfriend, you can put it on a little tripod and you can look at the viewfinder. And if you're anything like me and you're 6'2" and you constantly cut your head out of the shot, well, thank you, Apple. You can now look at the viewfinder, move yourself down, and you're in shot. Well, hopefully you've enjoyed this video, and if you have, make sure you hit that like button. It really supports the channel and also supports this video. Now, if you want to check out some other really cool videos that I've made, you should check out one of these two videos. The first is LED lighting. I talk about how I set up the LED lighting in this space and how you can do some really cool looks in your home or studio space. And also, if you love the graphics that I make in my videos, I do another cool video on special effects apps. Now, these are some really good inspiration and some fun apps that you can play around with. Well, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. My name's Nick. This is Tech Space. And if you haven't already subscribed, hit that subscribe button. But until next time, have a great week.